Ikaw ako.
Ako muna.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Sunrise Hotel, where every morning feels like a new beginning. This is Gwyneth from the front desk. How may I assist you today?
Hi, good afternoon. I did like to make a reservation, please.
Certainly, ma'am, sir. May I have your full name, please?
My name, my name is Charles Nino Serra.
Thank you, Mr. Shera. May I know your prepared check-in and check-out dates?
I'll be checking on October 15, uh, 2 p.m. and check out on October 21, 4 p.m.
That's for 6 nights, correct?
That's right.
And how many guests will be staying, sir?
There will be 2 adults.
All right. What type of room would you like to reserve?
I did like to book a deluxe room, please.
Excellent choice. Our deluxe room includes a king-size bed, private bathroom, air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary breakfast for two. The rate is 2,500 per night.
That sounds perfect. Is the deluxe room available on these dates?
Let me check, sir. Yes, we still have a deluxe room available with a front beach view. Would you like a non-smoking room?
Yes, please. And non-smoking room will be great.
Noted, sir. May I have your contact number and email address for the booking confirmation?
Sure, my number is 0905-656-8166 and my email is charles.024@gmail.com.
Thank you. How would you like to settle your payment? By credit card, GCash, or cash upon arrival?
I'll, I'll pay a fully cash payment.
All right. Do you have any special requests or additional needs?
If, if, if possible, I would like my room to be on the upper floor. Will be extra pillow, please.
Of course, sir. I'll make a note of that. Now, just to confirm, I have a reservation for Mr. Charles Serra, checking in on October 15 and checking out on October 21 for two people in a deluxe room with a beach view, non-smoking and with extra pillow and one bottle of Johnny Walker at
Yes.
2,000.
Okay,
Ito
tuloy,
natatawa
tuloy.
ko.
Tuloy, tuloy.
At 2,500 per night. The total amount for 2 nights is 15,000. Is that correct?
Yes, that's all correct.
Perfect. Before we end, let me inform you about our hotel's term and conditions. Check-in time is at 2 p.m. and check-out time is at 12 noon. Late checkout may have additional charges depending on room availability. Cancellations must be made at least 24 hours before check-in to avoid a cancellation fee. No smoking is allowed inside the room. Designated smoking areas are provided. Damages or loss of hotel property will be charged to the guest account. Guests are requested to present a valid ID upon check-in for verification.
All right. Thank you for explaining that.
You're welcome, sir. Your reservation is now confirmed. We look forward to welcoming you to Sunrise Hotel.
Thank you so much and very have a great day.
You're most welcome, sir. Have a wonderful day too.
Okay, on the next. 1, 2, 3. Okay,
Go.
ready? 1, 2, 3. Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Macro Hotel, providing really efficient and consistent comfort for the travelers. This is Charles Serra from the front desk. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to make a room reservation, please.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Gwyneth Arino.
Thank you, Miss Orino. May I know your preferred check-in and check-out dates?
I'll be checking in on November 19 at 1 p.m. and checking out on November 29, 4 p.m.
That's that's for 6 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
May I know and how many guests will be staying, ma'am?
There will be two adults and one toddler.
All right. What type of room will we like to reserve?
I'd like to book a deluxe room, please.
Excellent choice, ma'am. Yeah, our deluxe room include a king size bed, private bed, private bathroom, air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary breakfast for two rates. Is 2,500 per night?
That sounds perfect. Is a deluxe room available on those dates?
Let me check, ma'am. Yes, we have still have the deluxe room available in front beach view. Would you like non-smoking room?
Yes, please. A non-smoking room would be great.
Noted, ma'am. May I have your contact number and email address for the booking confirmation?
Sure. My number is 0917123457 and my email is winetarino19@gmail.com.
Thank you. He will let you settle your payment by credit card, GCash, or upon your arrival.
I'll pay via credit card.
Alright. Do you have any special requests or additional needs?
If possible, I'd like my room to be the upper floor and with extra pillow, please.
Of course, ma'am. We will make a note of that. Now, just to confirm, I have a reservation for Miss uh, Gwyneth Arena, which is uh, Goat, Witch, Echo, Nancy, Tango, Horse, Alpha, Romeo, Iglo, November, Oscar, checking on November 19 and check out on November 24. For two adults is in in a deluxe room with a pool view, non-smoking with extra pillows at 2,500 per night. The total amount of 2 nights is 5,000. It is correct.
Yes, that's all correct.
Please, before we end, me information you about hotels and conditions. Check-in time is at 1 p.m. and check-out time is at 4 p.m. Late checkout has many additional charges depending on room availability. Cancellation must be made at least 24 hours for check-in. To avoid cancellation fee, non-smoking is allowed inside room. Designated smoking areas are provided. Damage or loss of hotel property will be charged on the guest account. The guest or request are present with valid ID upon checking for verification.
All right, thank you for explaining that.
You're welcome. Reservations now confirmed will look forward to welcoming you to Micro Hotel.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You're most welcome, ma'am. Have a great, wonderful day.